fuck? What's going on? What is that noise? It cranks, but then it just like makes this weird noise. What is that? I seriously don't know what is that. It sounds like under the car.